Hi, this is Tim Masso of Europa Store at SIHH 2019. With MB&F, we're looking at the HM6 Final Edition. You remember the original Space Pirate from 2014? Well, this is the end of a line of 100 total examples, and only 8 of this stainless steel Final Edition watch will be produced. Now, the timepiece is rather remarkable. You can see hinge-style lugs, a stainless steel case. It's 49.5 millimeters wide. It's about 52.3 millimeters long, and all up, it's just over 20 millimeters thick at its center. There are 10 separate sapphires on this watch. You can see it is an automatic winder with a platinum mass in the battle axe style that is distinctive of MB&F. You can see the 8-piece edition notation on the bottom. Note the fact that there is a turbine pair that moves in sync with the rotor, so as you move the watch, the turbines, which are crafted out of aluminum, turn in sync. The timepiece has a 3-day power reserve. We're going to get super close now and show you the tourbillon. It beats away at 18,000 vibrations per hour. The movement itself, designed largely by our good friend David Kando, a little bit of input from Jean-Francois Mojon at Chronode as well. The timepiece is a work of art designed by none other than Eric Giroux, and you can see that the watch features an in-house caliber by MB&F. We're well into the in-house caliber era here, but 68 joules, 3-day power reserve, automatic winding with a blued platinum mass, and of course, not just a tourbillon, but a flying tourbillon, and not just a flying tourbillon, but a flying tourbillon that you can cover. It features an iris or oculus style cover that is both very cool and, from a practical standpoint, can help to minimize the effects of UV on the lubricants of the balance staff. You can see this is a big slow-beating tourbillon with the battle axe motif repeated. You can see those turbines rumbling along in the background. Now, if we move to the front of the watch, you can also see that it features scrolling displays of time. You have your hours and you have your minutes. A watch that is basically a toy for adults, and an excellent one at that. This is the final 8-piece run of the HM6 Space Pirate from MB&F.